Oh, wow, my thumb so pain. I don't know what happened. Yeah, if you have this kind of thumb pain, or maybe sometimes it's difficult in taking things, yes, you have something like what we call Quervain. So today this video is dedicated to one of our fans here, one of our community here. So she actually wrote this down for me, so you can see here. So what she said about both my wrist and thumb painful. Thumb if open wide pain, and wrist twist inward and like stuck feeling once over. Oh, very painful. This means it's like sometimes you move the inward thinking pain. A certain angle I can feel a sound of tuck sometimes. Okay. KK Kota Kinabalu CMCO can get treatment. Symptom look like Quervain but not confirmed. Confirm is Quervain. I took anti-inflammatory, Nurofen and Celebrex but doesn't work. Can be arthritis. It's not to say the medicine doesn't work. The medicine works. It's not for your problem. Okay, so the right problem, you need to have the right medicine to fix it. So for your case, is what we call misalignment. So a lot of people thought that, oh, I eat painkillers, so cannot, my pain is so worse. No, because that is not your problem. Or maybe that is not the right timing to eat yet. It helps in your problem, but it's just that not the right timing. After the treatment you eat, then only you have the effect. Because why? Imagine this, your hose pipe in your house, your house got no water. Okay, then you keep on blaming the pipe, this and that. You change the pipe inside there, but until now still no water. Why? Because the main pipeline outside there having open water. So what it means is there is something stuck here. When you eat that Nurofen or all these things is to subside the inflammation. But how can they subside inflammation if there is no movements or flow? You see the point? So what you need to do is you have to actually release it first, then only you eat the pill, then only it will be effective. So this applies to whole body, not only thumb, yeah? So, okay, good. Today is day 13. I'm Eddie the Bone Setter, so good. Let's check it out, what I can do today. So for this case, for thumb, I cannot, not to say cannot lah, you can try. You can try is that how you want to align is somewhere around here. Your thumb is pulling inside here, and then front here, and then you try to pull in. You try to pull in, you push in inwards here, up, and then this one pull. Sometimes there is a open sound, then good for you. Sometimes there is a sound, but it may not be the opening joint sound. It's two different things, yeah. So this you can try it out. Okay, no harm to try because you're already in pain. So just try it out. If it works, then you no more pain. So it's good for you. So in terms of the joint part, this is the thing I can teach you. And another one is that you can hold here, this one, and then you just grip 90 degree and then you pull upwards. Okay, oh, my right hand is much better, so it's like easier for me. So depending on people, I see even me myself not easy to crack. Only my right hand is very good, my left hand half. Okay, so that will be on the joint part. Okay, this one you just one time you just pop like this and it pop. Sometimes you may even open up to here. Another one is pulling in. So in terms of stretching wise, that one I can teach you. So how you can do is that this grips in. You see my finger close in, and then you grip inside, lock it like this. Okay, lock it like this, and then you see my hand here. When I pull down. Okay, at the same time when you grip inside, you pull down. This elbow, you see my elbow, turn here like this. Okay, turn here like this, and then once you pull down, okay, pull down, you feel the stretch. Okay, this will be the first level. This is the first level, yeah. Second level, harder a bit. Right, up already. Then you see my hand, this one never move. You go out and then down. Woohoo! You feel the stretch here. So you pull down, roughly hold it for how long? Maybe for 8 seconds. If you cannot wait too long, then 4 seconds. Okay? I know it's sometimes painful. So if you were inflammation, maybe you start with 4 seconds first, okay? Start with 4 seconds. So slowly you do long already, then it becomes 8 seconds. Now, this stretching here will help reduce a bit the pain. But remember, reducing the pain doesn't equals to solve the problem, okay? These are some things that you can do yourself temporarily to reduce the pain. Because why? Here there is a joint misalignment. So normally what I teach here in stretching all those things, it is to not let that part too tight. When it becomes tighter and tighter, it becomes more and more compressed. More and more compressed means more pain. So what I can do here right now is that to stretch so that it's not much pressure. That is why I said every time, if you see these few videos, I share these things, like I said, trust me first, believe me later. So this is what I mean, is like you do not want that part to be so tight. The more tight it is, the more pain it is. So the moment when you release, that's why you see starts with lesser pain. So you see some people say, oh, I do yoga, I feel better, I do stretching, all this is better, but after that, a few months later, never do, then come back again. Because why? That is something to relieve them temporarily, okay? So I hope that this gives you an awareness. I'm not trying to give you a fake hope, okay? I do not like to give a fake stuff, okay? So this is from my past experience. So you can do this stretching, do for roughly 4 times, okay? This is one of the way. Then another one is that this one all stretched already. Another one you need to really stretch is over here part, okay? Over here. So what you can do, you just pull up and then straight. Okay, straight like this, and then if possible, this one you try to pull up, open up. So when you pull up, open up, and then you straight. Okay, straight like this. Hold it for how long? Maybe for around 8 seconds, or if you cannot wait too long, 4 seconds. Okay, do it 4 times. Do not force here. The stretching for inflammation, it's also the same, but the way to approach it, that is very important. You have to slow it down, slowly go there. It is like a rubber band. You put inside the freezer. You have to slowly pull. If you pull straight, pull hard, what happens? It breaks. Okay. So the same thing as your fingers. Okay. Handle it with care. I do not know how inflamed it is. Maybe sometimes it's not really inflamed. Okay? A lot of people would be saying, pain, inflamed and all this things. Actually, no inflammation. Very simple. If inflammation you touch, it's hot. If no inflammation, no hot. Okay? That would be the most simple one. Okay? So good. That is all I can help you for the time being for your thumb and wrist. So I hope it helps you. Please be sure to get back to me if it doesn't work, or maybe how to what are you feeling, all of those things. Then maybe at that time I can guide you much more detail. Okay, so good. I'm Eddie the Bone Setter. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so you will not miss out on all these good tips I'm about to share for this 60 days. So good. Anyways, I see you tomorrow. Well, tomorrow there is a little bit something special here. I will be doing 2 videos, okay? One is to explain on how to connect with our body. But the next one, another video, which is another one, I will to be guiding you throughout that video at the right timing. And if possible, you can get in touch with me tonight through Instagram. If you really want to connect to your body, get in touch with me. You need to get out some charts, you need some details, and then I will be arranging you to sit roughly where, and I just need your time if you want to go for it, your time tomorrow to do that connection to your body. It's around 1 p.m. to around 1 p.m. to 2:59 p.m. So that period, I'll be sharing that video so you can follow the guideline and then you just go with it. When you go with it, it actually helps to assist you in connecting with your body. So I picked the right dates and the right time so that you can able to connect it much more easier. If for those of you who never connect before, not like me, I have been communicating with my body once in a while, more frequent than yours. So I picked this date specifically is to to really open up that connection so that you can able to feel your true body inside. So because these things helps with my gastric and sometimes your stress management, or maybe the air, the flow is not that well, you can actually control it as well. So this is what I have discovered, so I'm about to share tomorrow, which is a good timing and good date. So I hope it helped you all guys, and see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.